Advanced Steel and Crane was founded in Tulsa, Oklahoma in 1970 by Bill Pleasant and has served over 70 major utilities across the United States and Canada, as well as many rural electric cooperatives in the U.S. with transmission, substation steel structures, and components.
Our U.S. utility market, where we perform, is a very large, huge entity, and everything is under the private ownership, the utilities, the manufacturers, everything. So there is enormous scope there. And utility is one business where the demand always grows. And therefore the utilities have to perform or have to build assets to serve that growth in demand.
In July of 2012, Advanced Steel and Crane became part of the EMC Group, who has pioneered turnkey solutions for extra high voltage power system infrastructures throughout the world for 6 decades. During this time, they have made significant investments in their Tulsa operations, from adding facilities and equipment to process and quality improvements.
One major operation is to seam weld the poles that we do, the structures. So we looked into how we could bring in some kind of an automation, some kind of a speeding up process to start with.
So they have been looking before I came involved on how do we do that? What kind of equipment can we purchase that would make this easier? I think they had some ideas. Rajesh Krishnamurthy came on board and he had some ideas. They sketched out some concepts, then Advanced, Byron and the group went out and they looked around the country and they found something that really looked good. Then it just continued on down a path. We brought in the OSU application engineer to help them lay out their new building. And then we brought Central Tech in. They came on board to help out with assisting with some of the training dollars and training their employees on how to use that. And turned into a really great partnership between all the different organizations around the state.
Recently, Advanced Steel and Crane became ISO 9001 certified with the help of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, Moore Norman Technology Center, and Central Technology Center.
I wanted to have a more measurable approach and a documented approach, which is what ISO 9001 is all about. We got accredited and we now have a very strong process-oriented system here.
As the United States begins to focus on the outdated electrical infrastructure throughout the nation, Advanced Steel and Crane has positioned themselves very well within an industry that has great expectations for growth. We are proud to present the Oklahoma Manufacturing Leadership Award to Advanced Steel and Crane.